Welcome to BodyMind Quickie web page. I created a wellness web page for my very first project. In my page, I created a pop-up box with a positive quote in it using dialog element in HTML. In JavaScript, I set a timer and event listener so I can manipulate it to be seen 1 second after the page loaded, as you see. I styled it in CSS. It can be closed through that X button here. Here, I have a short introduction. Under the introduction, there is a Create My Weekly Plan part. I use 3 different forms here. The first form asks the number of the days that is preferred to do the BodyMind practices. Let's say 3 days and submit. 2 more forms, aka drop-down menus, will be shown. The preferred practices and duration of them can be chosen. When everything's submitted, the weekly plan will be displayed right under the forms. For this part, I had divs and form tags in HTML, but I used JavaScript to create all those buttons and text content. Each form has their own event listener and distinct JavaScript function to manipulate and display the options and the buttons. I used if statements to link the number of the drop-downs to the chosen number of days. Lastly, I have a Quickie Zone. Quickie Zone is all about JavaScript, JSON data, and JSON Server. I created a JSON data to hold the images, names, titles, durations, and descriptions. I created every single element here in JavaScript. I had only one empty div container in HTML to hold everything that I wrote with JavaScript. I used JavaScript fetch method to make an asynchronous request to the JSON server to load the information from my JSON data file to the web page. When you click those buttons, JavaScript event listener will pull the information from my JSON data file and show it to you. When you click the button again, the description will be hidden. If you want me to create another video to show the behind the scenes for this project, please let me know so I can do it for you. For upcoming videos, stay tuned. Happy coding, everyone!